In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're gearing up for payroll day or simply tidying up your accounts, printing checks is an essential task for many businesses. Let's dive in and get started with this process so you can seamlessly handle your financial matters. First things first, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If this is your first time or if you don't use this platform often, make sure you have your login details at the ready. Head over to the website, click on that sign in button you see right there, and choose the option that says QuickBooks Online from the list. This will direct you to where you can enter your credentials. Carefully type them in and hit continue to gain access to your account. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, take a moment to locate the new option on the top left of the screen. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu filled with various tasks you can initiate. What we're interested in for today is the print checks option. So go ahead and click on print checks. This will take you into an avenue where you can handle all your check printing needs. Before jumping right to printing, there's an extra step to ensure everything aligns properly. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the option labeled Print Setup. By clicking on Print Setup, you open a new section that will guide how your checks print. Here you'll see an option to choose your preferred template setup. For most, selecting standard is the go-to choice, but take a look to ensure it suits your checks format. Next up, to make sure everything is in the right place, you'll want to preview your checks before making anything final. Click on View Preview and Print Sample. This gives you a sneak peek at what the checks will look like when printed. This preview is incredibly valuable and gives you a chance to make sure all details are correctly aligned on your checks. Once you're satisfied with how things look in the preview, you can proceed by clicking on Print. Now, a vital tip here is to place this printed sample on top of your pre-printed checks. Carefully check if the dollar amount and other necessary details align as they should on the actual checks you'll be using. If the alignment isn't perfect, don't worry. Simply choose No Continue Setup to go back and adjust your printer alignment accordingly. The system will guide you through this fix. However, if everything looks spot on, then give yourself a pat on the back and select Yes, I'm finished. This signals to QuickBooks that everything's ready to go, and you can print with confidence. That wraps it up for printing checks through QuickBooks Online. Hopefully you found this guide easy to follow and are now a step ahead in managing your business finances effortlessly. Happy accounting!